This is a short video on how to create an assignment using Google Classroom. So the first thing we'll do is we'll get into our classroom, go to classwork, and then create. So we're going to create an assignment, and we're going to use the same topic, how to write an introduction for a paper. So we use introduction as our topic. Now let's say that we want to, we'll have the students watch a video, a short video. We'll have them take notes on the video. Then we'll have them take a quiz, and then we'll also have them write an introduction on a separate Word document, and then they will submit that. Okay, so we'll go to Add. Let's find the YouTube video first. So we're going to use this video. Right. So here's a video that we want them to watch. We'll add this. Right, and then we're going to have them. We're going to provide them a document for them to take notes. So we'll go to Add and go to File, Recent. All right, so here's a Google Doc, and this is the document that will take notes. Over here we have three options. So if we click the first one, this means that they can only view the file, but they cannot edit. Here, the second one, all the students in the class can edit the file, the same file. And then the third one, each student will have their own copy. So this is the one that we want. We want each student to take notes, and we want them to have their own Google document that they will turn in. So we'll click on that third option. Next, we have a quiz that we've already created. All right, so we created this quiz in Google Forms, so we're going to include the quiz. And then lastly, they're going to submit a Word document. All right, so let's write our instructions up here. Okay, so here's our instructions. So they'll watch a video, take notes using the Notes for Introduction document. Then they'll take the quiz, and then they're going to write an introduction for their research paper, and they'll use a separate Google Doc for that, and then they'll submit. Okay, so this assignment will be for all students in the class. You can assign a point value if you want. We're going to set a due date, so we'll say that this will be due Monday on June 15th, and it needs to be completed by 11:59. And then you can also, you can either assign it immediately, or you can also schedule when you want this assignment to be posted. But we'll just leave it. We'll just assign it immediately. Okay, so there's our assignment. We'll stick this under week 2. And here's what it looks like. Instructions, then we have all of the documents there. Now, since we set up a due date, we can also go up to Google Calendar, and it will appear here. So you can click on the date, and then you can access it through Google Calendar if you prefer. So there it is. All right, so let's see what this looks like on from a student's perspective. Right. So the student will be able to click on the assignment here, Or if they go into the classroom, you'll also be able to see it here. Right, so you'll notice that the student's name will automatically appear on this Google document, the document that we created where they're supposed to take notes on the video. So each one will have their own Google document. Now, the third instruction is for the students to write an introduction on a separate Google document. So what they would do there is they would come over here and click Add or Create, and then they're going to add a Google document. Okay, and then here they would complete the assignment, and then they would submit. Okay, so let's go back to from a teacher's perspective and grade the assignments. So you can access it here, but let's go into the classroom, go to classwork, and here's the assignment. So here are the students, and here are the submissions. So let's look at the two Google Doc assignments. All right, so the first one is the notes that they took on the video. So you can read their notes, make comments if you'd like, and then give them the score, then also add any extra private comments. And then here's the introduction that they're supposed to write. So again, you can make comments, score, then add any private comments. So once you finish that, then you would hit return, and then the student would be able to see all of your comments. For the quiz, you just click on the quiz. And we won't go into detail here because this was covered on the other video, but you want to see all the results. You click on Edit, and then you can look at the results for the class. Okay. So that's how you create an assignment. The next video is going to cover how you can set up, using an assignment, how you can set up a collaborative writing assignment in a very easy way. You can do an entire group, or you can do several groups. So this completes this video. Thanks for watching, and of course if you have any questions you can contact the TEL team.